Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for pool owners, the HTH 50 2019 Super Shock Treatment Swimming Pool Chlorine Cleaner. If you're looking for the best super pool shock available in the market, this might just be it. Let's explore why. HTH 50 2019 is designed to keep your pool water crystal clear and safe for swimming. Whether you have a vinyl-lined pool or use a fresh or saltwater system, this shock treatment is versatile and effective. Inside this 1-pound bag lies a powerful formula that eliminates bacteria and algae swiftly. In just 24 hours, you can expect visibly cleaner water, thanks to its fast-acting and fast-dissolving properties. Let's talk about what sets this product apart. It's incredibly easy to use. Simply follow the directions to boost your chlorine levels effectively. This ensures your pool remains a safe and healthy environment for swimming. Unlike some treatments, HTH 50 2019 won't leave your pool cloudy or require excessive maintenance. Its sheerness and value for money make it a favorite among pool enthusiasts, treating up to 13,500 gallons per bag. So, if you're ready to take your pool maintenance to the next level, consider adding HTH 50 2019 Super Shock Treatment to your arsenal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Until next time, happy swimming!